हाँ जी, गुड मॉर्निंग। या आज ना मैं गल करनी है ਜਦੋਂ ਸਿੱਥੇ ਆਏ ਸੀ when I was about say 23 years old, and now I'm 73. So I just want to tell the difference between that time and this time. When we came in Canada, we were very new. My English was not that good, and I didn't have the driver license, and we have to kind of financial was not that good either, and you have to set up the whole thing, and then I was thinking to go to the college. I went to the college, and it's busy all the time. 8 hours in college, and then at work, and then at home. And I was quite young, I could manage that. I was married that time too. And then you have dreams, to have the kids, and to be successful in life, to make tons of money. But say now I'm 73 years old. It's about 50 years before, and so now the energy is a little bit less. It's not that less, but it's a little bit not that much. And then your dreams are almost done. Well, you still have lots to dream. Dreams could never stop. You can dream at any age. And when you think that you have to go to school and finish your study, well, I finished my study, went to work, made tons of money, spent tons of money, and raised the kids and then the grandkids, and the life is at the full bloom now. And but as you grow old, now the things have changed. The kids are all settled. You are retired. You don't have to run for work. You are getting pension, and then all you have to do walk and keep your health good. And you have too much time. You have too much money, and well, you still keep yourself busy and keep yourself active, because that's the way it is. Because if you don't use, you lose. It's either your health or your physical or your mental. So I stay pretty active, even in this age. Yeah, that time was good. This time is best. And the life, what you make, I did pretty good though. That's what I think. Yeah, help my kids to grow and kind of help them on the way. Well, they did most of their work by themselves, but I was there every time they needed help. And even now, I'm old, my kids are there all the time to help me. If I get stuck or something, they want me to grow pretty independent, because I'm a pretty independent woman. I believe in self-reliance, I'm self-dependent, and I don't want to be dependent on anybody. Sat Sri Akal ji. So there were people walking, and they just said the Sat Sri Akal to me, and I was making movie, and yeah, so the life is good. Life is best. Love it, love it, love it. Love your zindagi. Love your zindagi.